disease updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Scinai has signed an option agreement to acquire Pincell, gaining rights to its first-in-class, non-immunosuppressive antibody, PC111. This antibody targets rare and severe dermatological conditions, including pemphigus, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, and toxic epidermal necrolysis. The EMA has already granted Orphan Drug designation, with FDA filings anticipated. Scinai has also submitted a €12 million grant application to fund continued development. The US FDA has approved Soleno's VYKAT XR as the first-ever treatment for hyperphagia in patients with Prader-Willi syndrome. This approval is backed by over 4 years of data from multiple Phase 3 trials. The extended-release formulation is expected to be available in the US starting April 2025. At AAN 2025, Alexion presented robust long-term safety and efficacy data on ULTOMIRIS and SOLIRIS for rare neurological conditions, including neuromyelitis optica spectrum disorder and generalized myasthenia gravis. Clinical and real-world findings showed 0 relapses in NMOSD and a marked reduction in corticosteroid use among GMG patients. The company's 21 presentations also included studies on biomarkers, digital tracking technologies, and health equity in rare neurology. LIVMARLI has received regulatory approval in Japan for the treatment of Alexion syndrome and progressive familial intrahepatic cholestasis. Both are rare genetic liver diseases associated with debilitating pruritus. This marks LIVMARLI's first approval in Japan, extending its reach to over 40 countries. The product will be commercially launched in Japan in collaboration with Takeda. Palatin's investigational oral MC4R agonist, PL7737, has been granted Orphan Drug designation for the treatment of obesity caused by leptin receptor deficiency. This rare genetic form of early-onset hunger results from disruption in the melanocortin pathway. The oral delivery offers a potentially more convenient alternative to injectable therapies currently in use. Crinetics Pharmaceuticals is progressing its once-daily oral drug, paltusotine, in the European Union. The EMA has validated its marketing authorization application for the treatment and maintenance of acromegaly. Paltusotine also received Orphan Drug designation from the EMA in February 2025. The drug's Phase 3 trials successfully met all primary endpoints, with a USPDUFA date set for September 25, 2025. EMPAVELI has been granted FDA Priority review for its supplemental new drug application targeting C3 glomerulopathy and immune complex-mediated membranoproliferative glomerulonephritis. Data show a 68% reduction in proteinuria, improved kidney function stabilization, and clearance of C3c deposits. The FDA's PDUFA action date is scheduled for July 28, 2025. Pharvaris has received Orphan Drug designation from the European Union for deucrictibant, a therapy under development for bradykinin-mediated angioedema, including hereditary angioedema and acquired angioedema due to C1 inhibitor deficiency. This complements earlier orphan status granted by the US FDA in 2022. The ongoing Phase 3 program aims to expand indications under clinical evaluation. Stay ahead in rare disease research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare